I go visit the lunar night month, I have no option whether I want to stay here or whether I want to go back. Fruit is not an ordinary fruit. It looks like passion fruit, but no passion. Okay, this one got no passion. Okay, this one also got no compassion. Okay, only eat one time. Okay, so this is a very poisonous fruit. Gao-ji. Okay, so in the past, Singapore, we have a lot of all these plants around. So these are some of the plants that these trees are known as pom. Not sure if you can. There's a lizard over there. First one, so I just want to share, then later go up again. Then after lunchtime, come down again, then go up again. So at least a few rounds. So that's why at the end of the day, become very. Take photograph from here. So basically, where we are on right now, this is the highest point of the Kusu Island. This part is zero strain. So in the past, what people does, they tend to use corals to hang. These corals high on the tree. I think whereby you can see on this last row, first picture you can see. This one stick inside, this is a spider. Okay.
This is the female.
Oh, this yes, this is a female. The ants are big one, ants. Okay, just sign around here, okay? I think it should be quite okay.
Anh có mua đèn cày không? Nó một bộ luôn á Ngọc. Ý là một bộ kìa nó có hai cái đèn.